Am I recording? Yeah, it's giving. It's giving crackhead. Ha! So I'm not even late. Yeah. 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 Period. I don't want to be a crackhead anymore. Definitely ate the girls up. I can't say I don't get an A++ for creativity.
Ladies and gentlemen, you remember me? Long time. Bad bitch, I'ma get my lick back. Big fact, I ain't trying to get involved. I have a nigga crying while you sliding down a wall.
Good morning, y'all. I am up early. It's 8:55 and we about to get McDonald's. I've decided that my official start for my diet will be tomorrow, Monday. That's also when I am starting to work out again, and I'm just getting my life together starting Monday. So today is the last day where I could just eat whatever I want to, and I decided I want to get McDonald's for breakfast. Do you guys have something called the chicken McGriddle? Mm-hmm. And it comes with egg and cheese, right?
No, it's just a chicken.
Okay, so I'll take one of those.
And next one up, please.
Thank you so much. So I got a chicken McGriddle, an egg and cheese on a McMuffin, extra cheese, no sausage. And then I got 2 hash browns, and I'm about to put grape jelly on both sandwiches and hash browns on both. That's what I saw people on TikTok do, so we gonna do that. I'm about to brush my teeth, but before I do, y'all already know what time it is. Ooh, that will really make it feel like you taking like a real shot. Like,
Too often, baby, you can get it for something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
all right, y'all. So I fell asleep at 12. I woke up at 5. It is now 6, and I have to get ready to make content. My friend hit me up saying that they wanted to make content too, so we just gonna make content together, and yeah. Make some TikToks, some reels, take some pictures, get cute. So I'm about to get in the shower, and then I'm gonna beat my face with y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna voice over this part because I'm in a rush, okay? That's the good thing about driving your own car. You could really be late because like you gotta take yourself there anyway, so. But I am late. I picked out my outfit. I took a shower. I shaved. I exfoliated. I did my face, my skincare routine. I'm setting my edges right now. So now the last thing to do is makeup. Makeup, accessorize, and leave. And accessories is like jewelry, bag, shoes, coat. And I pre-did some of my TikToks. Make sure you check me out on TikTok. So yeah. Alright, so I'm protecting my clothes. I always do this. Taking off my edge wrap so I can get to my forehead with the products. This is the primer that I'm using to smooth out all bumps and stuff like that. Putting the dots where I see fit, rubbing it in afterwards, making sure everything is smooth so that when I place the product, it's gonna be popping. Rubbing it in. You see me. Yes, get in there. Next, I already did my brows, put the concealer, I'm drying it down a little bit. Now I'm packing it in a little bit more, putting it where any dark marks are at, tapping it in with my finger. I do use a brush. I don't know why I was using my fingers here, but okay. But you can see the more I tap it in, the more my skin is giving no more dark marks. That's basically the whole point. Yes. Using this for my powder foundation. I don't like to use liquids because it's just too much work for me, honestly. I prefer powder. It also helps with my no makeup look. So, you know, you just go in where you would put the liquid powder, but the liquid product would accept is just powder. Yes, this is my favorite. I do this all the time. I love it. I literally love it. I think you actually supposed to use this powder over your foundation, but I just use it as foundation. So yeah, you'll see me covering all the areas. Don't forget your eyes. Don't forget your chin, under the neck, you know. Make sure it's looking good so that when they come in with that close-up, you see it's giving what it was supposed to give, period. Next, this random concealer that I'm using, putting it under the eyes. My nice powder that I like to use to contour, it's a banana powder. I don't use contour like the real contour. I use this. It works every time. Set my brows because I don't want them to get oily. Oh man, my camera. Currently setting my lips, y'all. All right. Huh? Yeah, it's giving crackhead. Okay, now I need to figure out my hairstyle. So I got my outfit on already. These are literally my favorite earrings. I reach for them so much, like all the time. Got these from H&M. I don't want to be a crackhead anymore. Oh, it's giving dusty. Okay, and I'm gonna set my face now. Okay. You'll see this spot, it's like looking a little dark. Let me finish my lip. So y'all know I like to go in with my sparkly gloss on the bottom. Hold on, let me brush my teeth one more time and then I'll put the regular gloss. So I'm not even late. Yeah. Period. So I put spray deodorant and I'm about to put this deodorant. I don't know, I don't trust spray deodorant, but I know putting that on first is gonna prevent the super white underarms. I don't mind the super white underarms, but I'm taking pictures, so we gotta be on point. Okay. I think I'm gonna do an updo. Even though down would be very cute too. So we're not gonna do that because it's a little messy in the bag. So what I wanted to do was an updo, because if I do an updo, you can't see any of my hair separating from the twist. So I could do it where it's like this. I think this is giving cute, like it's giving like punk rock a little bit. Got this gold cuff. It's a bracelet. I feel like I wanted to sit a certain way. Like, I like this. This is very cute. Especially as I put the gold piece in there. But I feel like I wanted to sit just a little higher. My camera's overheating, so it might turn off again. But this is cute. We got some pieces that I need to tame. Hold on, I'll be back. I'm gonna let my camera like defrost basically. And then I'll be back. So I'm back. Just need to finish putting on my jewelry. I'm kind of feeling like a choker vibe. Just because I have like a, what you call it? An updo hairstyle. I feel like the choker would help tie it all together. Yes. This is cute. Let me show you my outfit so far. This is the outfit. This is actually a shirt. So yeah, like I was saying, this is actually a shirt. But make it fashion, make it cute. Because I feel like the whole look is really coming together. I like how everything looks so far. But we need the jewelry.
It is played using the first 5 notes of the major scale of D. All the first 5 notes are in this play together.
So the outfit is complete, y'all. I'm going to have to finish my TikToks later because I don't want them to be waiting on me for too long. So let me just show y'all my outfit real quick and then we can leave. Giving the girls what y'all thought y'all didn't need. I feel like my outfit is a vibe. I just feel like it's a different type of vibe that you don't really see. I don't know if y'all can see me, but the boots were high, but they're very wide, so I just scrunched them down. Scrunched them down low. I think it's a look. We gonna see how these pictures turn out. I mean, the face is giving. Everything is giving. So I'm not gonna doubt last minute, you know. We just gonna head out and call it a day. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get there. Okay guys, I'm here, parked very much illegally right now, but it's okay. We gonna get through this. It's 11:08. This is my first like content day of like going outside and actually getting content. See how long it takes. I'm hungry, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat after this. And yeah, I gotta finish those TikToks later because I didn't finish the TikToks. But I'm ready to see how this goes. And y'all get to come with me for my first content day. I'm literally parked right next to my friend, so I'm just waiting on her to finish changing so we can go.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry
Y'all, they tried to tow my friend car. They tried to tow her car. If they knew that I was here too, they probably would have tried to tow my car too.
First, so
That's what I'm saying.
I really thought they was gonna get you first.
Me too, but I guess they didn't know. I guess they didn't know that like I drove here too, so they was just assuming we all came in the same.
Okay.
They was feeding. Nora. Josie.
Hey, babe.
Woo. Freezing out here, but it's okay. We gotta get this content. That looks so cute. Okay, I'm back. I'm about to finish my TikToks and then take off this makeup and then eat. Yes. Yes. Yeah, it's 3:21 in the morning. We finished around like, I want to say like 1 or 2, but we was talking and yeah, I just got home. This was definitely a look. Definitely ate the girls up.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking. So I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. You find the light. Do you realize?
I think I just messed up that whole video, but whatever.
Do you feel alive?
That was a mess. Let's just do something simple, because I don't know. Okay, I like that, but I feel like I could do better.
Can't keep this for long. I'm getting impatient. Look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so my bigger mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Gotta hold the sheet, don't need to know. Going on and on.
I don't like that. Ooh, my camera's overheating, y'all. It's overheating. Ooh. I am finally done making content. Put my ring light colors back on, take this makeup off, and call it a night. I was going to make myself a PB&J. Should I? I feel like I still should, because I am hungry, actually. Yo, I'm gonna miss this hairstyle. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna miss this hairstyle. But it is time for it to go, and I can always get it back. So, girl, let me stop being so dramatic. But I'm gonna really miss this hairstyle, y'all. I took as much content as I could in this hairstyle. You know, I've been vlogging with y'all. I've been taking, well, I haven't been taking. I took Instagram boomerangs just now. I took pictures for Instagram today. And what else? I made some TikToks. So I'm hoping, because I'm pretty sure that's good. But I just want to be satisfied with how much content I took. So let's pray that I took enough, because I am a little extra. All right, I'm gonna start with the jewelry. Take off the jewelry first. Take off the jewelry. Take this this necklace off. This necklace is from Forever 21. Probably like 4, 5, 6 years ago. I'm not too sure. This other 2001 necklace, a business sent, a company sent this to me. I don't remember the name, but this is one of my faves. For real. 2001, the year I was motherfucking born. Okay. Okay. Can't forget about the earrings. My faves. I gotta go to H&M. H&M got the accessories, girl. Can't forget to take this bracelet off of my head. Well, dang. I know y'all heard all of that. All right. Makeup next. First, let me take off this skirt shirt contraption thing that I freaking made into something. Creativity, okay? I can't say I don't get an A++ for creativity. And if y'all want to see the pictures, y'all already know what to do. Okay. Whew, time to take off this makeup, girl. I be like procrastinating when it comes to taking off my makeup because I just really don't like the process. But I'm gonna be using this to take my makeup off. I feel like this is so good with taking makeup off. Like, I just literally just love it. Like, this stuff, they put crack in this or something, I don't know. I feel like it gets your makeup off so good. And it's soapy, so it's kind of like you're washing your face, which is why I like taking my makeup off with this, because normally after I y'all look, the camera is like smoothing out my skin right now, but yeah, like I was saying, normally when I take my makeup off, I don't wash my face because it's usually late like this and I'm usually ready to just knock. So this is great because it's like a soap in there. So it's like I'm washing my face, but I'm not, but I am, but I'm not, but I am. And I'll just really wash it when I wake up in the morning. Wake up and wash your face in the morning. At nighttime, you're gonna take a shit going. Say where you going, riding around in the foreign. These girls on no personality, they be born. Shorty so bad, said she stopped the door, take a dive in that kitty, nigga, I look born. If you know that song, if you know the name of that song, I'm following you back. But do not, you know, I'm not even gonna say what not to do. If you know the name of the song, girl, follow me on TikTok and I'm gonna follow you back. Just make sure you comment on my video that I said I was gonna follow you back. So I know. If you know that song, comment the name down below. I bet y'all don't know the name of that song. I bet you. So how quick my eyebrow just came off. Like, girl, are you okay? Happy your face is done. Okay. Pretty much all my makeup is off. But I'm just gonna go in one more time with the micellar water and make sure that I got as much of it off as I can. My stomach is rumbling. I don't even want to eat for real. I think I'm gonna just drink some water or something. Cause yeah, I'm ready for bed. This is a person. This is what a person look like that's ready for bed. You see me? You see me? And brushing my teeth. Okay. Y'all know the old school lip oils. This is what I use at night. Ew. Go get you some. All right, this is when I start getting goofy, when I'm tired. So I'm about to hit the hay, and I'll see y'all later in the next vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow all my socials, and let me know if you enjoyed the video. Let me know what type of videos you would like to see. Let me know what you liked and didn't like about the video. But you know, be nice about it. I'm just trying to make the best content for y'all because you guys are going to be the ones watching these videos. So let me know what you like and what you didn't like, or what I could do better next time. And thank you guys so much for all the feedback, all the love, all the support. Hugs and kisses. Later.